Hey guys, welcome back to Beck Bass Fishing. We're just on our way to North Dakota. We're gonna do some snow goose hunting. Probably not gonna shoot anything, but we're gonna find out. We're probably about an hour out. Boys have been scouting, said they've been seeing some, so hopefully we can get on a good feed for tomorrow and film a good video for you guys, so stay tuned. Nice! Good aim!
Good aim?
Girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Hey guys, welcome back. Day one, no DAC. Just had a 2-pack come in, got them both. Just turned shooting light, so just getting started. Set about 100 full bodies and 2 bags of sock, so kind of a smaller spread today, but hopefully it works.
Let's go!
Just had to finish them off, yeah.
Well guys, we've had a couple flocks come in. I think we got probably 15, 20 or so on the ground. We got a group coming.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Alright, big grind on the left coming. I don't even know how to film this. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Just watch it, please. No, 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 just watch it. Dude. Oh my god.
Go!
Oh no! Damn.
Big fan over here.
Yo!
Oh. Do it. Oh my god. Yeah, then. Back, you getting this? Oh my god, am I getting this?
Yeah! Yikes, boys. We got 2, 3. Yo! It's currently 8 o'clock. I think we got 35, 40 snows down, maybe more than that. We've had a couple good migrator flocks come over and do it. I don't know how well you can hear me. Wind's probably blowing 30 out here today, so straight out the south. So the birds are pushing and we're getting after them.
He's a fan of the channel. We decided to take him on a guided snow goose hunt this week. So he's a big fan.
He won the giveaway.
He won the giveaway.
Got big channel here, squad wiping.
Yeah, homeless guy. He looks like it.
Oh my god, no.
What do you think? You like snow goose hunting?
Yeah, we had a good morning so far.
Motherfucker.
Kind of thirsty. Walked a lot.
Yeah, that's fair.
Shit.
You just take the one. You just give him a whip. I'm down.
Ready. Hey, hey. Ready. Hey.
Wait.
Alright guys, just got back to the hotel, finished day one. We ended up with 56 for the day. We had some pretty good spins this morning, super fun to watch and to film. Shot a little bit. Got a couple clips on the GoPro, I think. We set off to the edge of the spread, but I don't know. All around, it's a pretty good hunt. Excited for the next video for you guys to see. So if you don't mind, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.